Samsung just recently launched the Unpacked event last August 5 and a lot of stuff released, including the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, the new earbuds with active noise cancellation, which is the Galaxy Buds Live, also their new tablet, the Galaxy S7, and of course the new Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra. I am so excited to make reviews of all these devices, but for now I'm gonna show you the full review of the new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So we're gonna talk about the design, the camera setup, the performance of this smartphone, and of course, the price. But before that guys, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. So guys, let's start with the design of this new Note 20 Ultra. My first impression to this smartphone, this is so huge and tall, with boxy type screen, similar to the previous model, the Note 10 Plus, and it's quite heavy with 208 grams. And the first thing you will gonna notice is the camera bump, which is so thick because it used similar camera setup to the Samsung S20 Ultra with periscope lens. But let's talk about it later. This phone used 7000 series stainless steel frame at the side, Gorilla Glass from the front and back, they called Gorilla Glass Victus. I really like the design at the back, especially the color gradients, because it's matte finish and it's not fingerprint magnet, and Samsung called their signature color the Mystic Bronze. For the color options, it has three different color gradients, which is the Mystic Black, Mystic White, and the famous one, the Mystic Bronze. The Note 20 Ultra has 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with 91.7% screen-to-body ratio, with Quad HD Plus resolution of 1440 by 3088 and 496 pixel per inch density. Samsung always never failed to give us the best display in the smartphone. The display is super awesome, so bright, as you can see the color is balanced and accurate, with good color saturation thanks to the dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, similar to the S20 Ultra, but if you set to the higher refresh rate, you can only use the maximum screen resolution of Full HD+. But if you switch to the 60Hz refresh rate, you can enjoy the great display and resolution of Quad HD resolution. So you can really enjoy your browsing experience and overall screen interaction, watching your favorite movies and playing your favorite online games as well with the higher graphics. Note 20 Ultra used same technology for the in-display fingerprint, the ultrasonic, like what we saw to the S20 series. At the right side, here are the power button and the volume control, and at the bottom the speaker grills, USB Type-C, one microphone together with the S Pen. Now the S Pen is moved to the left corner, which is from the Note 10 Plus is in the right side, and it has more improvement compared to the previous S Pen, which has better latency of 9 milliseconds. And at the left side, only antenna band, and at the top, there's another one microphone and a SIM card tray, with hybrid slot that you can put either two SIM card or one SIM or one SD card. And again, there is no headphone jack, so you will gonna use the USB Type-C adapter provided in the box if you want to use your wired headset. The Note 20 Ultra has IP68 rating, dust and water resistant, up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes underwater. Now let's move on to the full specification and performance of this new Note 20 Ultra. This phone is Android 10 out of the box and with their own user interface, which is Samsung One UI 2.5. This phone is equipped with their own system on chip, which is Exynos 990 with 7nm, similar to the S20 series for global version, with the clock speed of octa-core 2.73 GHz, and with another version which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus for US version. But still I prefer the Snapdragon because it has more powerful CPU with a clock speed of octa-core 3.0 GHz with Mali G77 MP11 GPU, and it has higher score even in the Antutu benchmark as well. It has two different variants, which is 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB internal storage or 512 GB storage, and it has massive lithium-ion battery of 4500 mAh capacity that supports fast charge 25 watts. And I don't know why Samsung downgraded the charging speed of this Note 20 Ultra, which is compared to the S20 Ultra and Note 10 Plus. They have 45 watts of fast charging speed. So with this specification, chipset and GPU, let's check now the Antutu benchmark score, and let's see how many score it can give for single core and multi-core performance of this new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So based on the Antutu benchmark, this is the overall score, which is 524,969. As we all know that higher score will give you a better performance. With this Antutu benchmark score, now let's try to play the favorite on-time online games, the PUBG Mobile, and let's see if this phone can really handle this game smoothly without lags or latency, and let's check the graphic as well. Now let's jump to the camera specification. This is the first thing that I noticed to this phone, the camera bump. This is so thick. This phone is equipped with a AAA rear camera, 108 megapixel f1.8 aperture for the main lens with face detection autofocus, and can shoot 8K videos up to 24 frames per second with optical image stabilization for better video quality experience. And the red dots here is the laser autofocus for better and faster focus to the object. With 12 megapixel f3.0 aperture for periscope telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom and 50 times digital zoom, and it has 12 megapixel f2.2 aperture for ultra-wide lens. And in the front camera, it has 10 megapixel f2.2 aperture that can also record 4K videos up to 30 frames per second. And here are my sample videos and photos. So guys, as we all know that all about on this phone is super awesome, but let's don't forget the price of this smartphone. This is cost $1,300 for the base model, or it's more or less 65,000 pesos in the Philippines. So guys, that is my full review of this new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So what is your opinion guys? Just comment down below. So if you are new here in my channel, of course, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications and for more tech reviews. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.